Good morning, students. Welcome to the Dayavati Modi Public School. I am Anuradha Gupta here to teach you mathematics of class 4. In today's class, we will discuss about addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, greater or lesser, ascending, descending order of fraction. Look at these questions. Suppose you have to mark greater or lesser or equal sign. How can you find which fraction is greater? Look at these fractions, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Which one is greater? The whose numerator is greater and the denominators are equal. बेटा जिन फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल होते हैं लेकिन उनका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा हो, जिस भी फ्रैक्शन का न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा, that it means that fraction is greater. Okay. In the same way, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 3. 2 upon 3 is greater. But if the numerator are same, लेकिन कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऐसे भी होते हैं बच्चों जिसमें न्यूमरेटर तो हमारा सेम होता है but denominators are different. In this case, the fraction having the smaller denominator, we call that fraction greater fraction. Look at part H. 17 upon 19, 17 upon 8. In this case, numerators are equal but denominators are different. 17 upon 19, 17 upon 8. In this case, the fraction having smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Means 17 upon 8 is a greater fraction than 17 upon 19. Look at this question also. Part I, 3 upon 13, 3 upon 22. 3 upon 13, denominator is lesser. 3 upon 22, denominator is greater. You know very well, where there is denominator is smaller, that fraction is greater. It is only applicable in that cases where numerators are same. 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12. In this case also numerators are equal. These both are unit fractions. 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, because numerators are 1 in both the cases. And where there is 12 as a denominator, this is greater fraction as compared to 1 upon 15. Okay. Ascending, descending. We can also arrange in ascending and descending order in the same way. If the denominators are same, then there is no doubt. Greater is greater, smaller is smaller. In ascending order, we will put smaller one on the first place and the largest one on the last place. So 2 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9, and 8 upon 9. This is the ascending order of fractions. But in case of 10 upon 12, 10 upon 15, 10 upon 13, 10 upon 14, 10 upon 7. I have already told you when the numerators are equal and denominators are different, then the fraction which have lower denominator, which have lower number as a denominator, that fraction is greater one. So while you are arranging in ascending order, first of all, you have to write 10 upon 15, then 10 upon 14, then 10 upon 13, 10 upon 12, 10 upon 7. 10 upon 7 is the greatest fraction here as compared to 10 upon 15. In सब fractions में सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 10 upon 7, because it has smaller denominator. Again notice, fraction having larger denominator named as smaller fraction. मतलब कि जिसका larger denominator है वो smaller fraction है और जिसका smaller denominator है वो larger fraction है. Arrange it in descending order. Again follow the same rule. In this case, all the denominators are equal. It means the lower one is the lower and the largest one is the larger. जो smaller है और जो larger है वो सेम पोजीशन पे सेट होगी. डिसेंडिंग मीन्स फ्रॉम लार्जर टू स्मॉलर, बड़े फ्रैक्शन से छोटे फ्रैक्शन की हम तरफ जाएंगे. 9/13, 7/13, 4/13, 2/13 and 1/13. This is the descending order from greater number to smaller number, greater fraction to smaller fraction. Again, 13/8, 13/15, 13/6, 13/25, 13/13. Here again numerators are same but denominators are different. You know very well whose denominator is smaller, that fraction is larger one. So we will arrange in descending order in this way: 13/6, 13/8, 13/13, 13/15 and 13/25. 6, 8, 13, 15 and 25. This is the descending order of fraction where numerators are same. Convert into simplest form. Simplest form में बच्चों कैसे convert करते हैं? We start by trying to divide both the numerator and denominator by the common factor. एक single table से हम कट करेंगे. ऐसा हम नहीं करेंगे कि हमने न्यूमरेटर को किसी और नंबर से कट कर दिया और डिनोमिनेटर को किसी और से. Always remember this point. Suppose you have a number, suppose you have a fraction 38/50. First of all, cut with a smaller number. Suppose you are trying to cut by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. 2 ones are 2 and 2 nines are 18. Again cut by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 fives are 10. 19/25. This is the answer. Because these 19 is a prime number. ये नहीं कट सकता बेटा किसी भी प्राइम नंबर किसी से कट नहीं सकता ना. ये 19 किसी और टेबल में नहीं आता. It means it is not divisible by any number. 19/25 is the answer. Come to question number 2. 8/24. Again cut by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. आपने इसको 2 से काटा. अब आपके पास कौन कौन से नंबर आ गए? 4 and 12. Again cut by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Simplest form is 1/3. अब ये किसी और नंबर से नहीं कट सकता. This is the answer. Okay, this is all for today. Okay बच्चों. Okay.